Hey everyone! Have you ever wished for a tool that makes content creation and data management a breeze? Well, dreams do come true. If you're like most bloggers, marketers, or solopreneurs juggling multiple tasks and massive data, you know the struggle of seamlessly managing it all. Today, we're diving deep into the SheetMagic Lifetime Deal, which is a game changer in the world of AI and data automation. No matter how experienced or new you are in your field, you won't want to miss out on this deal. Let's explore together how SheetMagic works. What is SheetMagic? Imagine having the power of ChatGPT integrated right into Google Sheets. It's like having a supercharged assistant that helps you create content in bulk, interact with your data, and automate your workflow all in one place. With SheetMagic, booking and managing your tasks is as simple as pie. No more hopping between different apps and tools. Say goodbye to the boring and time-consuming tasks of content creation and data analysis. SheetMagic simplifies everything from creating AI-generated content to summarizing large data sets. Trust me, once you try SheetMagic, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Unlock exclusive lifetime deals on AppSumo today. The regular price is over $1,196, but on AppSumo, you're getting it for just $69. And this is a one-time single payment. There are several plans available on AppSumo to suit your needs. Plan 1. One-time purchase of $69, originally valued at $1,196. Perfect for individual users or small teams. Use ChatGPT in Google Sheets easily. Create unlimited AI content in bulk. Attach your own OpenAI API key for unlimited usage. Connect prompts between different Google Sheets cells. Unlimited scraping capabilities with over 10 scraping functions. Prompt library with popular prompts and ideas. One user license. Allows for GPT 3.5 Turbo AI model. Plan 2. One-time purchase of $138, originally valued at $2,392. Ideal for medium-sized teams. All features from Plan 1. 5 user licenses. Allows for GPT 3.5 Turbo AI model. Plan 3. One-time purchase of $207, originally valued at $3,588. Best for larger teams. All features from Plan 1 and Plan 2. 15 user licenses. Allows for GPT 3.5 Turbo AI model. Create unlimited AI images in Sheets. Also use GPT-4, GPT-4 Turbo, GPT Vision, DALL-E. Includes all future updates to GPT models. For prime features that make SheetMagic stand out. Create AI content in bulk, have a list of keywords. Create one prompt and copy-paste it down your sheet to generate articles for each keyword directly in Google Sheets. It's like ChatGPT on steroids. Summarize and analyze large datasets, export that data into a CSV, and use SheetMagic to analyze and gather vital information without leaving Google Sheets. Web scraping, scrape web pages and search engines to get information from live URLs. Efficiency and convenience at its best. Data organization, extracting data is one thing, but making sense of it is another. SheetMagic provides well-structured tables, making analysis and reporting a breeze. Who can benefit from SheetMagic? Bloggers, marketers, solopreneurs, small business owners, data analysts, content creators, researchers. Get a 10% extra discount from AppSumo. Got your eyes on the SheetMagic lifetime deal over at AppSumo? Well, guess what? I've got some spicy news for you. On top of that sweet $69 deal, there's a way to snag an extra 10% off. How to grab this deal? Visit AppSumo's SheetMagic Lifetime Deal offer. Look for a cheap pop-up bar. Enter an active email address. Use the same email address continuously. Check your email for the 10% off promotion. Reviews that SheetMagic Lifetime Deal on AppSumo get. Don't miss your chance. Secure your lifetime deal now before it's too late. Ready to revolutionize your customer interactions with SheetMagic? Explore the description, discover the features, and grab that lifetime deal before it's gone. If you found this review helpful and want more tech content, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.